Hello, Marvel fans! It's time for another Fun Facts video. Today's video is all about Marvel's Batman, Moon Knight. When mercenary Mark Spector was left for dead in the Egyptian desert, he was left at the feet of the Egyptian god Khonshu. Khonshu has a thirst for vengeance, so he resurrected Mark and gave him a new mission as a vigilante superhero. So what else do we know about Moon Knight? Well, fans know that he has dissociative identity disorder. Moon Knight is a mysterious character. With so much history, there is still plenty that fans might not know about Moon Knight. And this video will give you that fun facts about this mysterious hero. But before we continue, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please smash the notification icon below for future videos. And now everyone, the moon is full tonight. So, let's gear up and let's rock! Number 1, Moon Knight wears white so his enemies could see him coming. Well, he's confident. Many comic fans insist that Marvel created Mark Spector as a direct response to Bruce Wayne. The similarities are there. However, while there are both heroes of the night who strike fear into villains, there are some differences. And one of them is the costume. Batman often wears an all-black suit with a few yellow or gold highlights. However, Moon Knight's all-white suit is seemingly engineered to be a near-identical negative of Batman's black costume. According to Warren Ellis' 2014 run on Moon Knight, the hero wears white because he wants his enemy to see him coming and to fear the sight of him. Wow! Talk about confidence, baby. Number 2, Moon Knight once had moon-based powers. Today, fans know Moon Knight is a powerless mortal who's a highly skilled fighter with no actual powers. This wasn't always the case. In a 6-part 1985 miniseries, Moon Knight was shown to be the Fist of Khonshu. During this period, the Egyptian moon god Khonshu bestowed him with special powers. These include greatly enhanced strength and durability, the ability to see the mystical plane, invisibility while in shadow, and accelerated healing. This also meant that he was at his strongest under a full moon. When the new moon was out, meaning the moon was not visible at all, but was still there, he could lift up to 1,000 pounds. Then, as the month wore on the full moon, he would gain strength and could lift as much as 4,000 pounds. Moon Knight only had access to these abilities when the moon was out, and they intensified or diminished as the moon waxed and waned. Number 3, Mark Spector is a mercenary. While Moon Knight gained his supernatural powers from Khonshu, his training as a hero was similar to that of Batman. Both men trained hard and developed their bodies into peak condition for battle. Mark Spector was a mercenary before he became a superhero. Spector was a mercenary for hire, and unlike Batman, he had no problem killing his enemies. When the person he worked for decided he wanted to slaughter an entire village to get it, Spector stood up to him and paid for it with his life, before Khonshu saved him. Number 4, Stephen Grant, millionaire. Two things people think Moon Knight is Marvel's version of Batman. The first is that the two heroes always work at night, and the second is that their secret identity is a millionaire playboy. In Moon Knight's case, his secret identity is Mark Spector, but he also has another identity as Stephen Grant, the millionaire. After Khonshu brought Mark back to life, he returned to New York and had made a fortune from his mercenary days. He used the money to create a new persona in Stephen Grant, a financier, which he used to finance his career as a superhero. Number 5, Jake Lockley, cab driver. At the same time that he developed his millionaire persona, Moon Knight also took on yet another identity, and this time, a cab driver named Jake Lockley. This was done for a specific reason as well. as driving a cab put him on the ground level and helped him keep an ear out of all the information that could help him fight crime, as Jake Lackley, Moon Knight developed an excellent network of informants, including a homeless man and a diner owner and her sons. However, with one man portraying a millionaire, cab driver, and a vigilante, Mark Spector started to suffer and ended up developing as many as 10 different personalities over time. Wow, does he have IDs and passport for all of that identities? I think not. Number 6, he developed multiple personalities after a childhood trauma. Among Moon Knight's various incarnations is his dissociative identity disorder. Whether he's being manipulated by an ancient Egyptian god or slowly depending into madness, he's displayed no less than 10 different alters. He has Moon Knight, Mark Spector, and other characters that connect him to his bloody past. Strangely, this includes versions of all the Avengers. It's no surprise, given his multiple personalities, that a recent incarnations of Moon Knight from 2016 woke up in a mental hospital. Hospital personnel were convinced his heroics as Moon Knight were simply hallucinations brought on by paranoid schizophrenia, a completely separate mental health. Number 7, Shadow Knight is his brother. Mark's younger brother, Randall, was frequently bullied as a child, leaving his older brother to protect him. They had a troubled relationship over the years. They both entered into the military and worked together as mercenaries, although Randall caused the death of Mark's loved one and their relationship ended with the apparent death of Rand. He later returned as a manipulated serial killer known as the Hatchet Man. After that, he tried to take the role of conscious avatar away from his brother by becoming the murderous and demented villain known as the Shadow Knight. Wow, that's a cool name. Number 8, he's been resurrected by Khonshu a number of times. The entire basis for Moon Knight's character lies in the death and resurrection of Mark Spector, hired by Raoul Bushman for mercenary work in the Egyptian desert. Spector disapproved of Bushman's ruthless nature and challenged him on a mission. Bushman responded by killing Spector and leaving him there. It was there that he encountered the Egyptian god Khonshu, god of vengeance, who deemed him a worthy vessel of his power. Mark's pact with Khonshu came with the advantage of immortality. Consequently, Moon Knight has been brought back to life on numerous occasions. Fatal wounds that would end any other mortal hero are healed by Khonshu, allowing Moon Knight to continue his vengeful spree. So how many lifeline does he have? Number 9, he branded criminals with the sign of the moon. The run of Moon Knight issues in 2006 depicted a darker and more violent Mark Spector, much like Frank Miller's The Dark Knight Returns, in which Batman who has no qualms about his brutality with the criminals he encounters. So does Moon Knight, who loses his patience with the scum of the earth, taking on the literal worst of the worst of humanity. Moon Knight showed no mercy. He branded their forehead with a crescent-shaped mark and did it multiple times if they were a repeat offender. Moon Knight never felt like he could go far enough in exposing the twisted depravity of the criminal underworld, especially since more often than not, it seems to lurk in plain sight. Number 10, Moon Knight uses technology and vehicles that are similar to Batman. Like a certain playboy turned Cape Crusader, billionaire Mark Spector has the ability to invest in as much Moon Knight technology as he needs. Like Batman, he developed a cape that he can use to glide from rooftop to rooftop, as well as various grappling hooks that shoot out from his telescoping fighting staff made from adamantium. From supersonic jets to crescent-shaped throwing darts, Moon Knight has everything an obnoxiously rich modern crime fighter could need. His vehicle of choice is his Mooncopter, which is basically a hovercraft with all the latest artillery in one sleek package. He also has a moon-inspired limousine and a motorcycle. Wow, being a billionaire playboy superhero certainly has some cool stuff. And now, Marvel fans, these are Moon Knight's fun facts. Moon Knight's not well known beside his similarity to Batman. However, the newest hero in the MCU is more than just Marvel's Dark Knight. Marvel has been making strides in the TV series industry with their sense of Marvel TV shows. One of them is Moon Knight, and it's also my son's favorite. Exploring his unique history and motivations will help readers learn everything they can about Moon Knight. He's a complicated character, and certainly a unique one. I hope this video helped you to discover more about Marvel's Batman. But it is certain that he is Marvel's one and only Moon Knight. Thank you, Marvel fans. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Again, thank you, and I'll see you again on my next video, Marvel fans. Bye-bye!